Hi, my name's Vipul. I moved to Sydney from England in 2012 and live in Camaray in the Lower North Shore, which is also where our office is located. My background is in finance. I'm a chartered accountant and a professional investor with 23 years experience in the investment management industry. Over the past 25 years, I've also been an active property buyer myself, acquiring a property almost every year, and it's given me a hands-on insight into what makes a quality asset. In that time, I've realised how unique and difficult the Sydney property market is to navigate. It's fast, competitive, and often overwhelming if you don't have the right information. That's why I started Informed Buyers. People often call me a buyer's agent, but what we really offer is closer to strategic advisory. We don't just find properties. We analyse value, risk, strata and building reports, and long-term fundamentals. Because whether you're buying a family home or an investment, it's still a financial asset. Quality matters, and the entry price sets the course for your future growth. At Informed Buyers, we search, evaluate, and negotiate with care, clarity, and strategy, giving you the confidence every step of the journey.